Hello everyone! During the first online Lightbox Expo, I came across Affinity Painter and tried it, but I did not fully try it back then. I gave up pretty fast. That changed this time around. I am using the free version of Affinity Painter, and I was going to make a full illustration, but working with just 3 layers made a stop of that. And when I explore the app more, a lot of nice tools that I like to use is behind the paywall. So I decided just to sketch some expression of my original character Razor, using me of that very nice Proko brush. That brush is godlike. I love it. It feels like a real pencil, something I have not found the same feeling while drawing in Procreate. And just like in Procreate, the canvas get recorded in the background, in case you forgot to turn on the screen recording. And you can of course turn it off. Also, I'm using me of iPad Pro, and the split screen view works like a charm, so I can see the reference. Sure, you can turn on the reference mode in the app itself, but I like in my VisRef app. I would love to do a full illustration in this app one day, and I would love to pay for it. Oh, did I mention that this app is just one-time payment? Well, it is. I was going to pay for it at first, but I am in a financial dump at the moment, so one day. Because of the free version, I cannot fully use all the nice tools it offers, but I can see it offers a lot. The interface is something you're getting used to after a while. And I noticed that the brush, like Proko brush, had a size limit to it. I like to make my brushes bigger, at least for this brush, or I'm missing something here. They do run just like Procreate, layers depend on the canvas size you're working on. I would rate this drawing app 3 out of 4 stars. Can't rate it more because I have not used the full version. If I ever do and make a full illustration, I will go back and make a new review of it. But the sketching is something I will keep doing in this app because I love it so much. You can find this app on both iPad and Android. Until next video, happy drawing!